This is project delays protection agent. So the project often missed the milestone not because of the poor planning but because the execution issues like the delays, dependency, slippage, and the resource constraint are detected too late. So this agent monitors the execution in the real time, identify the early risk, and recommends the corrective action before the delays impact downstream milestone. So let us test the agent. Here I am asking the agent to give the dependency handoff and the resource contention risk with the action. So here the agent identify the dependency handoff risk that are slipping uh, along with the along with the uh, along with the resource contention and the required action. So this combined risk create a um, execution bottleneck that can delay the entire project stream. So the agent also recommends the early actions like the resequencing of the task, reallocation of the resources, then similarly for the resource contention risk. So um, this will protect the milestone delivery. So the slipped dependency uh, combined with the medium to high resource contention create the execution bottleneck that delay the downstream. So uh, the early escalation and the resource contention uh, adjustment help to maintain the flow and prevent the milestone delays. Here I ask the agent to show the critical path task starting late with the recommended actions and why. So here we can see the critical path tasks that are starting late with some recommended actions. Recommended actions. So because these tasks directly impact the milestone timelines, even the small delays can cascade across the project. So the agent not only flag the risk but also recommends the immediate actions such as the resequencing and reallocation of the resources to prevent the further delays. So why these are because these tasks sit on the critical path and have already started late, so they directly threatening the milestone dates. So the medium to high resource contention and the repeated resequencing signal execution strain that will worsen the without intervention. So this early resequencing focus on the resource reallocation or pausing the low impact work, and it prevents the downstream schedule slip. So by acting during the execution instead of after the failure, this agent will improve the schedule predictability, reduces the delay, and ensures the better on time delivery with the fewer escalations.